Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. I am Fatin Amanina Rusli. My metric number is D2018108490. On this week's task, our lecturer given us an assignment to make chicken roulades. Let's get started. This is the ingredient to marinate the chicken. 1 chicken, 2 tablespoons BBQ sauce, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon seasoning, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Firstly, we have to debone the chicken. Firstly, cut through the chicken wings. Then it will be easier to cut chicken breast. Cut it through until the end of chicken breast. Next step, cut it through the center of chicken breast, just like this. Make sure to cut slowly so the chicken are still attached. And now we can start putting the marinade ingredient. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon seasoning, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Lastly, put some 2 tablespoon BBQ sauce. Mix all the ingredients together up front the chicken and also back side of the chicken. And now closing the chicken with plastic wrap just like this, and then leave it to 30 minutes in the fridge for marinade. This is the ingredient to make green spinach for chicken filling. First we have green spinach, mushroom, carrot, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon shallot, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 100 ml cooking cream, 200 ml chicken stock, and lastly 1 tablespoon butter. Now making cream spinach. Firstly, put 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon shallot, 1 tablespoon garlic, about 50 gram carrots, 3 mushrooms that been cut, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 100 grams spinach, 200 ml chicken stock, and lastly 100 ml cooking cream. Stir the cream spinach until it's become thick. And our cream spinach for chicken fillet is done. This is all the ingredients to make raw chicken. First, we have chicken that already been marinated for 30 minutes. Next, we have the cream spinach. And lastly, we have 2 sliced cheese. And now for making raw chicken. By using the plastic that I already cut through it, insert the chicken breast in the middle of the plastic like this, and then open it so that we want to heat it. I don't have the special tool for press the chicken, so I will just using the roller to press the chicken. After the chicken already flat like this, then we insert the cheese and put in the cream spinach as chicken filling. Don't put too much filling inside the chicken because it will be hard to roll and close whole chicken. Using a plastic, just pull up to the front so that the chicken can roll, and then using hand so that we can help the chicken roll, just like this. Next, by using the plastic wrap, now we can put the chicken on the middle of the plastic wrap, so we want to wrap it for keeping it inside the freezer for 24 hours. But make sure that you wrap it so tight so that our rolled chicken can be shaped nicely. Next, after we done resting the raw chicken inside the freezer for 24 hours, we can open it and transfer it to aluminum wrap for the steam process. Close it well so that water won't get inside aluminum wrap. And that's it, we are ready to boil for 30 minutes. This is the ingredient to make shallotveloute sauce. Firstly, 3 tablespoons shallot, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 150 ml chicken stock, 200 ml cooking cream, and lastly, butter. Ready to make shallotveloute sauce. Firstly, insert 1 tablespoon butter. After the butter have melted, insert 3 tablespoons shallot. Next, insert 1 tablespoon garlic. And then insert 150 ml chicken stock. After that, insert 200 ml cooking cream. And then insert 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And lastly, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Stir it well, all the ingredients, and until the soup becoming thick. And that's how you make shallotveloute sauce. This is the ingredient to make parsley potato. Firstly, 1 tomato, and I cut it into dice. 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tomato that I already cut it into chop, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 teaspoon parsley, 1 teaspoon chicken stock, and lastly 1 teaspoon black pepper. Making parsley potato. First, insert butter. Next, insert 1 tablespoon garlic. Next, insert the potato. Then insert 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon black pepper, tomato, and that is how you make parsley tomato, just as simple as 1, 2, 3. Lastly, cook the stuffed chicken. First, insert the butter. After the butter help melted, insert the stuffed chickens. Let the outside be cooked and brown, but don't cook it too long because we already steamed the stuffed chicken. And the last step is done. And this is the result. I put the sauce right top over here and down there, and we can still see some tomato and potato and also our chicken.